Boy, oh boy, has it been a year. It has been way too long since I've posted a video on this channel, and I owe you guys an apology, so I'm sorry that you haven't seen my beautiful face or breakdowns in a while. However, I have a good reason. As you can see around me, we are in a completely different space than we were in the last video, and that is because we recently moved. Me and my fiance bought our first house together, and it has been an absolute process getting everything renovated, and of course the garage has been kind of a mess ever since. Though we are just about done, thankfully, and that means that regular content will resume. And I promise you guys in 2026, you will be getting a ton of content on my Mark 7, the Mark 1 Caddy, and of course the 07K Jetta, which I already got some parts for sitting over there, and quite a few other things for all the cars. So there's a lot of stuff coming, but it's just been a process of getting everything cleaned up and getting the space ready to make videos again. Because of course we have to be able to live in the house, right? And I don't want to put myself in a position where I'm having to stress between the house and making car stuff. So I figured let's take a little break for this end of the year. We'll focus on the house stuff. That way we can go full swing on content next year, which is the motherfucking plan, okay? So anyways, that is my rant, and I apologize for the lack of videos last 2 months, but if you guys have not followed me on TikTok and Instagram, make sure you go follow me on there because I do post pretty much daily on TikTok, and there's a lot more like little vlogs and updates and stuff like that on that page. I just kind of wanted to show you guys a little sneak peek of the new space that we're going to be recording videos in, and I hope you guys are excited because I know I am, and honestly, I just want to make videos again. I've been itching to make videos and get this garage set up so I can actually work on the cars. I've got new tools, got a ton of stuff figured out, and I'm just ready, man. I'm ready. It is currently December 31st, and I want to give a huge thank you to absolutely everyone who has supported my page this year. We have grown so much. We're about to hit 3,500 subscribers, which is nuts because literally the first 14 months that I was posting videos, we hit 700. And then the next year, we jumped from 700 to 3,500 almost, which is mind-boggling, the amount of growth. And you know, on TikToks and stuff like that too, like we've grown a ton on there as well, and it makes me so happy that you guys enjoy my videos, and I genuinely, like, that is what makes me make these videos. And I know it's been sparse the last 2 months on YouTube, but trust me, things will return to normal very, very soon. I hope you guys stay apart with me for 2026. Anyways, I just want to make this quick little video because it's been on my mind, and I know that I've been completely MIA, so I hope everyone here has a great New Year's Eve. Please stay safe. Don't drink and drive. Don't do that. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that. Or gal, bro or gal, whatever. Yeah, don't do that. And I will catch you guys in 2026, or should I say, I'll see you guys next year. All right, that was cringe. All right, peace out.